This is Alex from Yamaha, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026 showing off our new speakers. This is our DXR Mark III range and also our DXS Mark III subwoofers. So cool thing about these is we've doubled the output on these 2,000 watt amplifiers, and we've also added a new color LCD screen that makes it real easy to change the parameters right on board the speaker. And this is also mirrored on our new D-Remote apps that we've got on your mobile devices, so Android and iOS compatible. And basically what this allows you to do is really go in and fine-tune all of your speaker settings, so I can group my different speakers here together, adjust the volumes together or independently. And I can also go in and do things like EQ, can adjust different processing and DSP features on here as well. And then I can plug in a microphone, access features like our feedback suppression system, and then go in and really edit all of these just outputs for the monitors. So really handy, just a device there to be able to control those and then have a great quality sound output. And our website is usa.yamaha.com.